Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today I'm bringing to you this closet craft space that I've just created for myself and for my crafting. As you can see here, I went ahead and put up some wood pieces to hold up this larger piece of wood that is going to be serving as my desk, and I did the same for my shelf up at top. And then I went ahead and lined them with some contact paper. So all I did is I measured it up, I offset it a little bit so that I can cut it, and was able to fold it underneath the piece of wood, and then I cut 2 strips of that since I would be needing both of those. And I do apologize for the lighting. I was filming this in the early hours of the morning. And here is the end result of my contact paper and wood pieces. And I do show you how it's all set up once I have some of my things inside. I still have quite a bit of organizing to do, but this is what it looks like once I have some of my stuff in. I have my chair, and then I have my light and my mat and a couple other supplies. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe. Thank you for watching.